Here's a simple recipe for spicy honey chicken tenders that are tender on the inside and golden crunchy on the outside. Let's get to cooking. First, we take 1 pound boneless chicken breast and cut them into strips. Marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoons of allspice powder, half teaspoons of turmeric powder, and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of flour and gently toss it so all the pieces are well coated and dry. In a large bowl, add 2 cups flour, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon Cajun seasoning, salt to taste, 1/4 part teaspoon baking soda, and mix well. Now divide the dry mixture into 2 bowls, one containing 1/3 part of it and the other containing a larger portion, preparing wet and dry batter. Add the egg to the bowl with less flour mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic, then add the milk to make a batter of medium thickness. Coat in the wet batter and then coat in the dry batter with light hands. Heat about 1 inch of vegetable oil in a deep skillet or frying pan over medium heat. The oil should reach 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken tenders in batches, avoiding overcrowding the pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. For making chili glaze, heat the pan with 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is melted, add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of honey for sweetness, and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce for an extra kick. To add the finishing touches, use a brush to evenly coat the crispy chicken tender with chili glaze. Enjoy your delicious homemade crispy chicken fingers.